Feeling a bit sluggish? It could be what you're eating. Healthy eating tips.
Healthy eating is a way of balancing the food you eat to keep your body in great health. With healthy eating, you'll have energy all day, get the vitamins and minerals you need, stay strong for activities you enjoy, and maintain a healthy weight.
Don't skip any meals.
Eating 3 or 4 meals with snacks in between is the ideal way to maintain both energy and a healthy weight. When you skip meals and get hungry, you're more than likely to choose foods that are not very good for you. If you are eating away from home, take food with you, or know where you can buy healthy food from.
Learn how to prepare foods.
Instead of deep frying, try grilling, stir frying, microwaving, baking, and even boiling. You should also try fresh or even dried herbs and spices to add flavor to your food. Before you eat any type of meat, be sure to trim the fat and skin off of it.
Avoid a lot of sugar.
Drinks that contain sugar are a major source of empty energy. What this means is that the drinks contain a lot of energy that your body may not need, and it doesn't contain any vitamins or minerals. If you plan to drink sugary drinks, don't go overboard. Limit yourself to 1 a day.
Avoid thinking about diets.
There are no good foods nor any bad foods. All food can be a part of a healthy diet when eaten in moderation. You don't need to buy any low-carbohydrate, fat-free, or even diet foods, as these foods normally have lots of other added ingredients to replace the fat or carbohydrates.
These healthy eating tips are brought to you by the Gypsy Doctor. Using nature's gifts for better living can be found at kidgrandy.com.